guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make eyes out of polymer clay that you can use for any of your charms or polymer clay creations. You will need black clay, a razor blade, a ball tool, and a plastic baggie for storage. Roll out a piece of clay and cut off a small piece. You want this to be about the size of the end of your ball tool. And the reason for this is because you'll be using your ball tool to make indentions for the eyes, and you'll want to make sure that they fit properly. Mine was too big, so I have to cut a piece off. Make sure it matches up. And then roll out some more black clay and cut out a piece that's exactly the same size. Make sure they match, and then combine them into a single ball of clay. Instead of immediately using this ball of clay, we're going to go ahead and bake it so that we have something for size reference. Each time you want to go and make a cupcake or a charm, you can use this to make sure that the size of your eyes is correct every single time. And now it's ready for use. Go ahead and cut out a piece of clay and make sure it's the correct size. And then store the baked ball of clay in a plastic baggie and then put it somewhere where you can keep it safe. Roll out the other ball of clay, cut down the middle, and then roll them into two eyes. And you can now go ahead and add them to your projects. And this time I have a little bunny cupcake that I will be adding my eyes to. There you go! This method is perfect for anyone that's wanting to make stuff for their friends, or to make more than one of the same design, or if you're wanting to make several things for your shop to sell. This works perfectly in keeping everything uniform so that you make sure all your pieces look the same every single time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope it helped you, and I hope to see you in the next one.